Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. It is finished building this beautiful 434 Chevy 600 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1973 Camaro Z28. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, new balancer, proper water pump for the 73 Camaro Z28, proper oil pan, Moroso oil pan for the 434 Chevy for the Camaro. We have the brass freeze plugs in there, Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers are on there. These are the AFR 220 aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Chevrolet valve covers on there, aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housing with the extra coolant ports if needed for any sensors. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributors in there, proper flex plate, the SFI flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper balance and tooth count for the 434 Chevy here, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump on there, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines on there, chrome fuel line going up to the carburetor is all set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. The engine will be completely dialed in and set, timing set, carburetor adjusted. You'll get a video with all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, all ready to go. So this is our 434 Chevy, again, 600 horsepower turnkey package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.